Hi, it's Gail with Gail's Southern Living. So I received my last Christmas card and I wanted to make sure to do a friend mail on it. It's got a beautiful scene of the star. Very pretty. And it's from Good Times Homestead with Jen and Steve. And they said, Gail, many blessings of joy this Christmas season be with you throughout the coming year. Thanks for all your support and fun collabs this year and for helping us little channels. God bless you in 2023. Happy New Year, Jen. And the Bible verse, let's see, I did just now see the Bible verse. The Bible verse is, For unto you is born this day in the city of David a Savior, which is Christ the Lord. Luke 2:11. So I just wanted to thank them for sending me a card. I try not to let any friend mail go by without saying thank you to the person. And I will go put this sticker on my sticker board. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day. Have a blessed weekend. Be kind, guys.